Hey Libra, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of July. Okay, Libra. So for some of you, Spirit is saying that you need to free yourself from someone because this person can be very immature and childish. Maybe for some of you guys, you have a child or children with this person, but it's time to let them go, okay? And I feel like some of you guys could be having a hard time removing yourself from someone, like I said, because of the fact that you do have a child or children with them. And for a small percentage of you, you're starting to feel like, you know, I'm giving up on love. There's no hope for me. Why do I keep attracting the crazies? Or, you know, the people that can't give me what it is that I deserve. But Spirit is saying to recapture romance, allow your inner youthful spirit of fun to shine. So you have to hold on to hope, you know, but you got to get yourself out of the situation. For others of you, I feel like there's somebody that you used to deal with in the past that's trying to get out of a situation. Now, they could have a child or children with someone else, and they're trying to get out of it. Also, I'm picking up that they could be the child in the situation, so this could be like childhood trauma. This could be, you know, issues that they have with their own family that they're needing to let go. They're needing to do some healing because they miss being around you. You know, they miss talking to you, having fun, but they got to clean some stuff up. Bottom of the deck, see what I'm saying? There's the Three of Cups reversed. Somebody is breaking free from a third-party situation. Definitely freeing themselves from someone or other people. See? The seeds that were planted, they want them to grow. Ooh, let me try to come out. Okay. There's somebody here that's in a commitment. They're married. They're trying to get out of it. But I feel like there's someone here that wants to be in a commitment or married to you. You know, I'm picking up somebody could definitely be dealing with a Taurus. And it's like they made a decision to let go. Yeah, somebody feels stuck in something. And they're upset. Tell me more. Yeah, I told you they're stuck. Somebody is definitely feeling stuck, making a decision. And see, they're going to come out of being frustrated, okay? But see, they're getting out of a third-party situation, okay? But they're keeping a watch on you. Like, somebody's keeping a very close eye on you. Somebody's also keeping an eye out on this other person or whatever the situation is that they're trying to get out of. Okay. They're going to make a decision. There's the Queen of Cups. So they feel like you're upset with them. Somebody could be dealing with a Pisces. Because if the truth hasn't come out, they know that they're going to have to speak their truth to you. But they're afraid that if they do, they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. See, there's the Two of Cups. I'm telling you, somebody's trying to get out of a relationship. Yes, they want to be with you, but they got to get out of something that they're committed to first. See, the way the King of Wands came out, it's like they're going to have the confidence to come towards you. But right now, they're still dragging their feet. But ultimately, they don't want you to walk away from them. Okay. They do want things to improve with you. Ooh, what is all of this? Okay, let me see. Yeah, they want things to improve with you, but they definitely want things to improve financially for them because I feel like they're just focusing on themselves, their own stability, because they're trying to find balance in that. Yes, they want to have balance with you, but they got to get themselves together first. And like I mentioned before, if children are involved, that could be why this person is focusing on that coin here. But they know that they were being immature and childish towards you, and they feel like you're going to end up letting them go once they have the courage to come towards you. See, the Hangman on the top of the King of Wands, that lets me know, I told you, they're going to be confident. They're going to come towards you, but they're still moving a little slow. They know what they want. They're not confused. How did this, look at that, I missed that. Wait a minute. For some of you, this person is afraid that you've already moved on, or they're picking up that somebody else is coming in. I have two different guys here. It could be two women. Y'all know I have to look at my court cards, but that's why they feel like you're going to end up letting them go. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Somebody could be dealing with a Sagittarius. But regardless, yeah, they're afraid. See, the Three of Cups tried to come out reverse. They're afraid right now because they know that they're going to have to hurry up and remove themselves out of this third-party situation if they want to have something with you. Yeah, they're not happy at all right now. Okay. There's something that they want to say to you, Libra, but they're not saying it. They're holding back. Somebody could be dealing with a Virgo. This person is definitely isolating themselves. So, yeah, you're not talking to this person. Whoever I'm talking to right now, you're not talking to this person. I'm saying that, yes, they want to give you the offer of a lifetime because they want things, they want to have a victory with you. And they're coming out of this sadness, this regret that they have of everything that they put you through. But see, due to a lot of things that they said to you, they've done to you, the harsh communication, they're afraid that things may not improve. And this is why they're hesitating, taking the leap, coming towards you. See, right now they're frustrated within themselves. You know, with themselves, like, they feel stuck. They feel stuck. And that's why they're not moving forward just yet. But they don't want you to cut them off. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Yeah, they had you waiting around. But I'm saying they're going to come out of being frustrated because, see, they want to balance things out. Tell me more. But the Emperor jumped. Yeah, somebody's a father. See what I'm saying? There's a parent here. And see, this is why there's no stability. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Yep, they were being sneaky. Well, this is like their biological child, children or not. Somebody stepped up to the plate. And see, now they feel like you're going to cut them off for good. Because, yeah, they were being sneaky. So, regardless, I'm saying the decision is going to be made. But right now, they can't move forward just yet. They're still going through their lessons. Yep, Ace of Pentacles. You're going to get an offer that you want, but this is starting to make me feel like I'm wondering if there is some type of court situation or legal situation where they may have to cough up some money or pay. Clarify the Ace of Pentacles. Yeah, see what I'm saying? It's something with money. They're not content with finances, and they're trying to have the strength. I feel like that's them trying to sneak away or figure out how to get themselves out of this other situation first before they approach you. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini. But I'm saying this person loves you. This person definitely wants to make it right, but they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore because they had other options in the past. They didn't do right by you. And see, right now they're trying to make a decision on how to get out of this situation, which they will. That's them being single, freeing themselves from some type of commitment. Look at that. I have 2 9s. So, yeah, they were going through some type of cycle, and it's coming to an end. They're coming out of feeling frustrated, losing sleep, you know, but they're afraid that they're not going to have a new opportunity with you once they speak their truth. Yep, they did leave you out in the cold for some type of home or a family situation, but they're not even happy in that situation at all. See, there's another 4. Yeah, there's definitely some type of home, family, living, children. There's some type of situation that's going on that they left you out in the cold with, and now they feel like, okay, if I walk away, I'm going to be left out in the cold financially. If I have a child or children, I'm going to leave them hanging, you know. But even though they don't want to have a new beginning and they don't want to stay in this other situation, they're afraid that if they leave, you're going to turn them down when they come back because they messed up one too many times. But they're still going to remove themselves from this third-party situation. See what I'm saying? Look at that. They're going to put an end to this codependent situation that they put themselves in. Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. They're back and forth with the 10 of Swords. Yeah, they definitely stabbed you in the back, you know, and they want to make it right. Clarify the Queen of Wands. Ooh, 4 of Cups tried to jump out. Let's see. Clarify the Queen of Wands. I was waiting. I had a feeling another queen was going to come out. Yep. See what I'm saying? It's like they repeatedly kept stabbing you in the back because they kept going back and forth between you and someone else. You and a love interest. You and a friend. You and a family member. Whatever your scenario is, and that's the problem. But somebody was only dealing with them for financial reasons. See, and it's like they want to talk to you, but they're hesitating. They're hesitating having this conversation. See, yeah, somebody's definitely going to court for a family situation. Somebody could be dealing with another Libra. Tell me more. They're back and forth with the 4 of Pentacles. See what I'm saying? They're worried about their stability, their financial stability, because they had to take care of family, children, whatever this is. See, I got 2 4s again. You see what I'm saying? There's something going on with some type of living arrangement, family, whatever it is. But when it comes to you, they're afraid that you're not going to accept this offer. And that's why they're not putting in the work just yet, because they're trying to free themselves from this, you know, the child, children situation, whatever it is with them. They're trying to get out of it. But see, these 2 cards, the way they came out, it's like They're hoping that things can improve with you, but they're in their head a lot, you know, and they're trying their best to not overthink this, and they're trying to stay positive, but they're going through it. Whoever they've been dealing with, there has been a lot of disagreements, arguments, more than likely probably over money. Look at that. Queen of Pentacles, and there's the Six of Pentacles reversed. I just said there's a lot of arguing going on about money. This is why this person is frustrated about their finances. There's no balance. See? They're going to get out of their head, and they're going to remove themselves from a family situation. I told ya. But, ooh, it's going to take a while. That's why worth waiting for. Divine time patience is needed. This person moves slow. And see, when it comes to you, they're afraid that by the time they get out of it, they're not going to have a new beginning with you, and they're not being positive about it. But I'm seeing they will listen to their intuition. Look, you're going to receive communication because they want to have a new opportunity with you, and when they do come towards you, they're going to be confident. They're not going to play any more games with you. But right now, this situation that this person is in, this is still going to take some time. That's why I always tell you guys, move on with your life. Don't wait. Don't wait around for anyone. All right, Libra, let's see. Bottom of the deck, look at that, Ten of Cups. They're saying you are still going to have a family. You're still going to have wish fulfillment. So let's see. But right now, you feel like you're not getting the offer that you deserve. And they're saying you're not listening to your intuition. Clarify? Yep, because the person that you're thinking about, the person that I just picked up on, they're not communicating with you. This person has a hard time opening up, talking. You know, and so you made the decision to free yourself from this individual. I told y'all, you're not waiting. You're not waiting. You're moving on with your life. You're like, it sucks because you're my person. I know we're supposed to be together, but at the end of the day, I don't have time to sit here and wait around. So you guys were like, no, I'm done. I want someone new. Even if you don't want anyone new right now, you guys are just really focusing on yourself. See, look, oh my gosh, look at that. You learned your lesson. The cycle is done, and you're moving on. You're moving on. And all by you moving on, you guys have an offer coming in. So let's see if it's this same person or if it's someone new. Ooh, it's the same person. Because look at that. It's the person that you care about, you really do love, but you can't stand. This person's coming back in. But whoever that third party person is that I picked up on, they're still holding on to them for financial reasons. And see, yep. It's like they're saying there's nothing more for you to do in this situation. And even though the situation frustrates you, you had to do what you had to do to move on. That was your reading. Please leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonated for you guys. All right, guys. Talk to you soon.